that day, something felt different. Children were laughing, running freely. She closed her eyes and imagined something special. Someone was there, watching them with a smile.
You are the future.
When she opened her eyes, she wasn't alone anymore. They were playing together. Different faces, but the same heart. This day belongs to them. April 23rd, a gift that lives on in every child. And his dream lives on with them.